In the previous video, we looked at phase changes. Now we are going to look at a specific application of phase change in a heat pump. A heat pump is a device that warms or cools by transferring heat from a lower temperature source to a higher temperature source. It can be used for heating in the summer and cooling in the winter. A heat pump contains a vapor, usually called a refrigerant, that is easily condensed to a liquid when it is under pressure. Work is done on the vapor by a compressor in order to transfer heat from the lower temperature source to the higher temperature source. A heat pump contains a vapor, usually called a refrigerant, that is easily condensed to liquid when it is under pressure. Work is done on the vapor by the compressor in order to transfer heat from the lower temperature source to the higher temperature source. The liquid refrigerant gives up the heat it gained during compression to the higher temperature source. The liquid is then released to the low pressure part of the heat pump, where it quickly evaporates and takes its heat of vaporization from the lower temperature heat source. The vapor is then compressed again and the cycle repeats. An air conditioning system is a basic heat pump. The refrigerant comes into the compressor, or the green box in this picture, at low pressure, low temperature. The compressor performs work on the fluid, compressing it to high pressure and therefore high temperature. It is now a high temperature, high pressure gas. This hot refrigerant goes into the condenser, which is mounted on the front of your vehicle. It is mounted on the front to get fresh air because even on a really hot day, the gas is hotter than the air outside. As the gas goes through the condenser and cools, it condenses into a liquid. Then the liquid goes through an expansion valve, which serves as a pressure drop valve. There is high pressure on the condenser side and low pressure on the evaporator side. Due to the pressure drop, the temperature also drops. In the evaporator, the liquid evaporates back into a gas and absorbs heat. This is located in the HVAC module in your car, which then cools the cabin of your car. This heat pump acts as an air conditioner if you are using the evaporator side to absorb heat. This means you are transferring heat from inside the car to outside the car. However, it is considered a heater or a heat pump if you are using the condenser to transfer heat from outside the car, or really the engine, to inside the car. One last note, both the condenser and evaporator are heat exchangers, meaning they exchange heat to perform a phase change. This concludes our discussion of phase change and heat pumps.